How to repair broken driving chips on a LED tile. Let's start by testing the LED panel. There is one small block lack green color. This indicates the driver chip for green LED is fault. First step is power off the LED tile. Take off the plastic cover. Second step, remove the faulty driving chip. Change a new driving chip in the same model. Be careful when you weld the new driving chip. Make sure all legs are on the right position. First, use a soldering iron to gently secure it in place. Once alignment is confirmed, solder it firmly in place. Remove the excess solder. Check if there is any solder bridging. After ensuring the welding is well done, let's power on the LED tile again. Connect signal cable. Test the LED tile again. Problem is solved.